Creating your website with Google Sites, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone with a passion to share, having a website can open doors to countless opportunities. And with Google Sites, you can build your online presence quickly and easily without any prior coding knowledge. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating a professional-looking website on Google Sites. From setting up your account to customizing your site's design and adding content, we've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own website app and running, ready to showcase your ideas, projects, or business to the world. So let's dive and get started on building your website with Google Sites. So first of all, for people who don't know what Google Sites is, Google Sites offers a hassle-free website building experience, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical complexities. It's a free platform provided by Google, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or an enthusiast wanting to share your passion with the world, Google Sites empowers you to create professional looking website with ease. So let's start our tutorial. First of all, you open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sites website by typing sites.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and you can just enter your name and password to sign in. As you can see, I am already signing in this um, and that's why I have this Google Sites homepage. Here you can click on this plus icon to create a new site or add a new page here, inserting content blocks or incorporating various features into your website. So let's click here. As you can see, we have a blank site, but to move faster, we'll quickly select a template. You can just click over here and you choose the template that suits the content and correspond to your website requirements. With here a different or a various templates. You have here education, personal template. Let's choose one. For example, we'll choose graduate. As you can see, with a pre-designed template to start, starting with a pre-designed template offers a range of benefits that streamline the website development process and empower you to create a professional, visually appealing website easily. Here on the right side hand of the screen, we have three functions to modify your website: insert, pages, themes. The first function is insert, allows you to add various types of content elements to your website. This includes text boxes, images, videos, links, maps, calendars, and more. Let's see, for example, under this image, we will add um, two images, content blocks. For example, we will choose this. The only thing you have to do is select the place or the place where you want to put it and then you click. As you can see, I can add images or videos. Moreover, there is a variety of stuff you can add it to. For example, collab button, divider, spacer, and other stuff related to Google, such as YouTube, calendar, or map, slides, and whatever you want and need in your website. The second function is pages. This function is referring to the individual sections or web pages that make up your website. Each page searches specific content or information related to a particular topic or aspect of your site. You can create pages, you can edit in it, organize in it. If you no longer need a page, you can just delete it. The third function is themes. As you can see, there is here, or you can choose themes what you want. For example, I have here diplomat, vision, and as you can see, themes of the website is changing. Here is the name of your website. For example, you can add your logo too if you have it. And also there is other option. For example, we have here the ability to undo and redo, and the important one is here is helping you to know if your website need modification or not, on how it looks like in large screen, tablet, or phone. Let's move to next options we have. We have here, for example, settings. You can change the mood of your navigation, for example, if you want it on the top or on side, and also the color if you want it on black or white or just transparent. And also for the other function, you can modify your website the way you want to. If you finished your website and you wanna make it accessible to the public on the internet, you need to click over here, publish, and it becomes viewable by anyone with the link you will share here. Or you can just to make your website more professional, you can custom a domain. Before I finish my tutorial, I want just explain this three dot that we have here. If you wanna version your history or make a copy, we have here a lot of choices to understand more the way Google Sites is working. You can read here, or you can read here privacy policy or terms of service. If you wanna help, you can too, or take a tour or help sites improve or report abuse. So as you can see, there is a variety of options that can you help to can you help you to improve your website and make your website ready. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.